Welcome back to another video, guys. We're out here on the lake. Sun is setting. It's been a fun day. Real quick, I wanted to show you before we get more in depth into the video how these support poles work. These are the adjustable support poles. You may wonder, why do I want the adjustable support poles versus the fixed support poles, which we're going to do another video on. And just for the simple matter of, we can have it lower or higher based off the wakeboards, based off tubing, visibility, anything of that nature. If you're sitting out in a cove, you can put the Bimini up and then actually have it tilted to a certain manner. Now, we could with the old hardware as well, but it's just so much easier. Alrighty, so now let's take a look at how we got these installed. Super simple, and we'll roll that now. The video, guys, today is going to be the continuation of the previous video, and we are going to be installing these Bimini top support poles. Once again, they came from Carver Covers. If you didn't see that previous video, make sure you go check it out. I'll link it up top. All of Carver's information is linked down below, so make sure you go check them out. Alright, guys, so the first step is we're going to remove these back clips that we used to use to hold these straps on. We are in turn going to install within the same holes our 90-degree hinge. Now, the pole we're going to start with is the adjustable. It is going to mimic the strap, basically. I'm really excited to be able to use this one first. Like I said, I think it's the one we're going to go with, but let's get it on. Alrighty, guys, so it's a little windy, so apologize if there's any wind noise in advance. We have both of the support poles on. We've raised and lowered the top, and it is amazing. It really helps so much, and it's very, very simple. All we did was we replaced the original hooks with our new 90-degree hinge pins. We installed the support poles, and that was really it. Next thing we're going to do is take these off, which we're just going to take it step by step. You can easily cut them, but I want to save them for the future if I ever need them again. So we're going to unscrew piece by piece here and put it back together. Alrighty, so you just saw from that little clip how we can maneuver this up and down. Now, in order to lay this fully flat, you do have to disconnect this bar. Now, the kit only comes with screws, Phillips screws, so you'd have to physically unscrew this every time you want to take it off in order to lay it fully down. Carver does make a quick release, which is what I'm going to highly recommend everybody ask for if you do purchase this, whether it's the fixed bar or the adjustable bar. Instead of having a Phillips screw, a quick clip in and out is going to be so much better. It should arrive here in the next day or two. I don't know if I'll add it to this video or if I'll make a second video on that quick clip. But regardless, it's going to save us a ton of time. So let's unscrew it, lay it fully down, and see how it lays down.